Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Rogers apartment building. This building is going to be 20 floors and it's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. So it's very important that we keep you guys updated on the progress, because sometime this year it's going to pass 17 floors. Now, this building is, you see where you have the steel sticking out? That's the 16th floor. So it's 15 floors right now, because I guess we can't say the 16th floor is finished, but we can say they're working on the 16th floor. So when it reaches 18 floors, it will pass the Pegasus as the tallest building in Jamaica. And we will keep you guys updated on the progress. We'll make videos every 2 weeks until the building is finished. So this building is located off Waterloo Road. It's on Waterloo Avenue, and you definitely can't miss it. It's the tallest building out there that's on the construction. Now, it's going to be a residential building, and it's going to be luxury apartments. 99 luxury apartments. And we don't have the exact price for them, but I think they start about 300,000 US. If anybody has any info on the pricing for the units, let us know, and we can include it in one of the upcoming videos. Now, there's so much going on in Jamaica that, believe it or not, this building at 20 floors won't be the tallest building in Jamaica for long, because the Ascent is under construction, and that is going to be 27 floors. So that will hold the title as tallest building in Jamaica very soon, probably in another 2 years. And that building is going to be mixed use, commercial and residential. So you really have to admire all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Jamaica has really started to put up these high-rise buildings. We have videos up about going into the history of the building, who is building it. So you can check those videos out on the channel. Today we're just giving you an update to show you how far they've reached. We don't have a completion date, and even if they put out a completion date, it probably wouldn't be realistic, or I shouldn't say that. The completion dates on these projects always seem to change. There are a lot of variables, I guess, attached to it. But it should finish sometime next year. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, we make update videos on this building and all the other major construction projects every 2 weeks. And for the other projects, we make them every month. But once this building reaches 17 floors, we'll give you updates weekly, because it's going to be a big deal when it reaches 18 floors. So once they reach 17 floors, we'll give you updates weekly until it reaches 18 floors and becomes the tallest building in Jamaica. And if anybody knows how much these units go for, let us know. And also, have they been sold out? Because this kind of real estate in Jamaica, I mean, even though they are expensive, they are selling. Now, this building is going to have penthouses at the top. And I'm not sure, but I think I heard that those units are going to be over $1 million. And somebody had commented that nobody's going to pay $1 million for a house in Jamaica. But the Habani Estates in Ligoni, and we have videos up of that project on the site, you can check it out. Those units were going for 1.5 million US, and they're all sold out. All sold out. So I'm sure that these units will be sold. Maybe they are sold out. So if anybody knows, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below and we'll include it in an upcoming video. And also any video you want us to make, any project you want us to follow, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to do it. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, and I just want to point out, beside this building is 3 other developments. You have 20 South, which is 10 floors. You have Parkhurst 1, which I think is 7 or 8 floors. And then you have Genesis 28, also less than 10 floors. So the 20 South is 10 floors or less. 10 floors, and the other 2 are less than 10 floors. So can you imagine how this building is going to stand out? It's going to be literally twice as tall as 20 South. It's really going to be spectacular, and we're going to keep you guys updated on the progress. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.